So here we have this VEVOR cordless electric grease gun. Now, full disclosure, this was sent to me for free, but the opinions in this video are my own. I've always wanted to try one of these, so I can't wait to see how well it works. Anyway, here's the instruction manual, a single battery and battery charger. That's nice, came almost fully charged. Looks like there's a strap for it, a 9-inch long straight nozzle, this really long 3-foot hose, an end that should fit standard grease fittings, and then this pointy nozzle, which is a nice inclusion. A roll of Teflon tape, and then the grease gun itself. As you can see, it looks like it's pre-filled, so that's great. Now, let me go ahead and quickly assemble this. Alright, there we go. Now let's load it up. Unscrew it. Pull it back. This lever here locks it into place. Grab your red and tacky grease, pop the front off, drop it in, pop that cap off, then screw it back on. Alright, now that it's tight, let's go ahead and release this here. Stick that battery in there, and let's try it out. And after a bit, once it fills the hose up, it'll start spitting it out. And if the grease doesn't come out, just loosen this knob here, and that should let all the air out, and after that, it should work just fine. Anyway, my initial impressions are this thing is super cool. It's really simple to use with this trigger here, which is super comfortable. It also has a lock, so when you're using it, you can push this button in, and it'll keep it going. And then the front actually has a flashlight, so when you gotta get into those darker areas, this makes it a lot easier. My only complaint has gotta be that the case doesn't really work when you have grease in here, because obviously it doesn't fit. And I don't think I'm going to want to be taking this thing apart every time I'm done using it, so that's a little disappointing. But yeah, apart from that slightly disappointing case, which honestly I didn't even know it came with, this thing is great. It's quicker and easier to use than a standard hand pump grease gun, and it also has the extra flashlight feature, so I've got to say I'm really happy with this.